What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my tutorial series on Rust, and today we're going to be continuing our tutorial on loops. Now last time we covered while loops and infinite loops and for loops. We talked about how we have a variable x equals 5 and we have a condition equals false, and we did the condition and we kept subtracting 3, and then we said if x divided by 5 is equals 0 or the remainder is 0, then break the loop by making this equal to true. And then let's try it again to see if it works. And as you can see, it keeps decrementing by 3 until we reach -10. -10 is divisible by 5, so the remainder is 0. So that's how you end the loop. I want to show you a better way to do this. There's actually a better way. Instead of doing a while loop, what we could do is use an infinite loop and use a statement called break, the break statement. And the way it works is like this. So we have while not done. Instead of doing that, what we can do is delete this line, so we don't need this variable anymore, so it saves us a variable, and we can say loop. Okay, so this is an infinite loop, and then we decrement x like usual, and then what we can do is if x is divisible by 5, then what we can do is just say break. Okay, so what this will do is basically if this statement is true, it will exit from the infinite loop. And the advantage we have over a while loop is that we don't have to declare a new variable. We can just set an infinite loop and with a break statement, and this will actually make your code simpler to read and more it just makes your code more readable, I guess. So let's check this out. So let's try it. So clear. And as you can see, we get the same result as we did with the while loop, except now we don't have to declare another variable to do this. Okay. There's another statement called the continue statement. So it's just like break, but instead of breaking the loop, it reiterates it. So let's suppose we have a for loop, right? So I can say for so I can make a variable x or variable I in 0.10. Okay, and what I can do is if I is divisible by 2. Okay, so if I divided by 2 is equal to 0, or if there's a remainder of 0, continue. Okay, so let me explain what the statement does right now. Hold on. So that's continue. And what we're going to do is print ln, so just a print statement, and we're going to print I. Okay, so let's run this program. What do you think this program is going to do? Well, let's find out. So let me clear this. And as you can see, the program prints all the odd numbers. Okay, so why does this happen? Well, like I said before, the continue statement is like a break statement, but instead of stopping the loop, it actually reiterates it. So this is what exactly happens. It's checking from 0. So 0 is divisible by 2. So when we hit the continue statement, it will not continue this program anymore. Instead, what it will do is it will reiterate the loop from start and increment I. So now I is 1. Is 1 divided by 2? No, it's not divisible by 2. So it's going to ignore the continue statement and it's going to print it out instead. And then it's going to restart the loop. However, when it's divisible by 0, it doesn't continue the loop anymore. It breaks it and restarts it. Okay, so continue is like a break statement, but instead of breaking, it restarts your loop. It reiterates your loop. Okay, so I know this sounds confusing, but try it out yourself a couple of times and you'll see what I mean. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. That's just for the while loops and for loops. It's continue and break statement. There's better ways to do it, and I just show you how to do it, guys. I hope this helped you out. If you like this video, comment, rate, subscribe, and share this if you find this helpful. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.